In this video, we'll explore how to watch videos on Spotify. But before we dive into the steps, make sure to hit that like button if you're excited to discover this feature, and feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Your feedback is invaluable in shaping the content we bring to you. Let's get started. Now, within your Spotify app, navigate to your library by clicking on the icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, locate and click on your profile picture in the top left corner, leading you to a new page. Here's a crucial step. Check the setting that controls video viewing. Click on Data Saver, and if you have Stream Audio Only enabled, make sure to turn it off. Enabling this setting restricts video playback, so disabling it is essential to access Spotify videos. With this setting turned off, you should now be able to explore videos within Spotify podcasts. However, keep in mind that not all podcasts may have video content available. If you're not seeing the video option, it could be because the specific podcast you're checking doesn't have video content uploaded. If you encounter any questions or need further clarification, drop them in the comments section and I'll do my best to assist you. If you found this guide helpful, a like would be appreciated, and don't forget to subscribe to Media Magnet Guide for more insightful tutorials. We're constantly delivering content that could prove very useful to you. Thank you for watching, and I wish you an awesome day.